At morning, we can say I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower. I have my breakfast. I get ready for work. I leave home for work. At daytime, we can say I go to the office. I start my work at 9 a.m. I work on my computer. I talk to customers or clients. I take a short break. I have lunch at noon. At evening, we can say I finish my work. I return home in the evening. I take some rest. I spend time with my family. I go for a walk. Thank you.